then somebody had the idea of, well, why don't you, instead of just teaching us how to invest in this one particular type of property, why don't you train us on how to build a business like you've done? And so we created something called the Real Estate Investing Accelerator, which is a 6-month hardcore training program that since then has launched businesses, and now we're 600 people around the U.S., all military and veterans, but collectively we've purchased a little over $1 billion of real estate together. And what's really cool about that, two things. One, none of us started out wealthy. None of us. I was a major in the Marine Corps, grew up on food stamps, right? And the second thing is, why do I care about $1 billion? It's like $1.2 billion of real estate. Why do I care? To a hedge fund, they like shoot that out monthly. It's nothing. But this is $1.2 billion of real estate that is inside the families of 600 military people who serve their country. And with appreciation of an average 5%, you do the math. How much wealth is now flowing into the families of people who volunteered to serve and to sacrifice so this American dream of freedom can be alive? What's the irony? They go, they serve, they sacrifice, they go to Afghanistan, they go to Iraq, they get their legs blown off, they serve, and they give the full measure of everything they have to preserve this American dream of freedom, and then come back, and how many veterans actually live the American dream of
experience it? Yeah, they don't get to experience it after that.
They see it on TV. They see other people living it. And so now you have, so many people inside White Feather and so many to come for, where we're headed. And so that the mission of White Feather used to be help Kimberly and Buddy buy rental properties. It was nothing. It was whatever. Now the mission is there are 16.5 million veterans in America, plus police officers, first responders, firefighters, right? Those are all people that serve and sacrifice and do their part to keep this American dream alive. In my mind, they deserve a shot at the American dream as well, which means they need to be financially free in order to be able to chase their dreams. So the vision of White Feather now is to impact millions of lives across this nation. And so we're just getting started.
And if Kimberly and Buddy make money, that's okay.